All right, lads. I think we're in some activity mode. So we're gonna wait for my dad to come back, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put this stupid camera case on and wear it on my head. It's gonna be really dumb. Helicopters, oh, there's the cool ones. They just keep going by. Do a smooth course, it'd be like a luxury cruise liner if it was smooth. Okay, we'll retry that. I'm sad it didn't work, right? Something froze.
All right.
Maybe it worked, maybe it didn't. We gotta do it again.
Yeah, let's see. Said 18 seconds into it, right? Body Beach, here we are.
My first run out didn't work, so we had to relaunch it. Here we go. It's later in the day. We got some cool stuff. Here's the course, and now I'm on it. You know, I had to do some fixing of videotape to make sure that it all lined up. So here we go. We're going around the buoys. You know, this is pre-sheltered and protected from the wind, so it's not like terrible. But then when you go out further here, just the waves just eat up this 65 horsepower. These two. You'll see them blow by me here in a second, because there's some ripped ass super jets, but you know, way more horsepower than being much here. Woo! Look at that guy's car for me. Here's another one. They've got the new round nose superjet. I've got the square nose superjet. Look at how fast they are. There's my jet skis are older than me. Here we go around these movies. All ass trying to get back. Back to the shelter. Body Beach. Yeah, but other than that, pretty sweet. Not only racing here, but there's some sweet other styles here. Little camera. I've got my little camera made a little splashy again. You wanna see it? Little camera, we're gonna hope. Oh, I caught all that on there. Got a flip there, because you know, these are some Richters. They're really sweet. Got like 300 horse on rescan.
Oh, he knows. Oh, close. Oh, he says one more. He says one more. Oh, yeah. That was awesome.
That was pretty much my weekend book, or Thursday, not even weekend. You know, hanging out at Body Beach. Yeah.